Are you looking to better manage your contacts, leads, clients, and sales with a CRM software that also offers a customer-facing client portal? Well, this is vital for the majority of professional service providers. Ideally, you want a CRM for all back-end customer and sales management that also offers a dedicated client portal. This way, your customers can self-manage and access invoices, payments, messaging, contracts, tasks, and more. So today, my focus after testing dozens of solutions is to dive into and compare my top 5 hybrid CRM and client portal platforms. My goal by the end of this video is to help you identify the right solution for your business type and requirements. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and dive right in. First on my list for hybrid CRM and client portal solutions is Assembly. This has become a favorite of mine, geared towards professional service firms like accounting, consulting, marketing, real estate, and others that provide services to clients. Let's first have a look at their built-in CRM. It's simple yet clean and allows teams to easily manage client accounts. For me, the client management experience is one of the easiest platforms to navigate. Within the CRM, you can manage files, contracts, invoices, tasks, messaging, and more, which is built right into your Assembly backend. On top of these CRM tools, Assembly offers AI assistants built in to help with all areas for managing your contacts and clients. Basically, you have everything your team needs for client management without the fluff and sometimes the overwhelming complexity, which is often found in many other solutions. This makes Assembly's adoption into any organization seamless for all team members. Also, I love how Assembly has gone about their automation feature. Anyone can easily create simple 2-step or more automations between their built-in tools to reduce repetitive tasks. This works both for back-end CRM activities and customer-facing client portal actions for a seamless experience on both sides. Now, let's take a look at the client portal capabilities found in Assembly. Essentially, the tools I just mentioned, like contracts, invoices, messaging, and many others, also reflect inside your client's personalized portal that they have access to. So after setting up what you want your clients to see and access in their portals, you can just in a few clicks generate portals for each of your client accounts. This is a structured client portal interface that your customers can use for, again, anything your team allows. Your clients can use this portal to sign contracts, manage their tasks, pay for any outstanding invoices, as well as send direct messages and a lot more. You can also seamlessly integrate and embed third-party tools directly into client portals. These are other tools that you use inside your organization that have customer-facing tools and features that you want your clients to have access to. Basically, there is a seamless two-way connection between what your organization will see in the back end and what your clients see inside their portal. Okay, so as you can see, Assembly is a centralized AI-powered CRM and client portal platform. Now, if we jump into Assembly's pricing, prices start from $39 through to $2,000 per month, primarily based on the number of internal users, client portals, and automations your organization needs. For most small to medium-sized businesses, the professional plan is sufficient enough. Again, Assembly is a fantastic hybrid CRM and client portal solution for all types of professional service providers. If you and your organization are interested in getting started or diving deeper into Assembly, I will add relevant video and link resources down below in the description. So go ahead and check those out. Next on my list is Softr. Fundamentally, Softr is an AI-powered platform for building internal business software, and they stand out as a good solution for those wanting to build their own no-code CRM and client portal apps. Unlike Assembly, which is built, structured, and out of the box ready to go, Softr is quite a bit more technical yet highly customizable from the visual elements through to functionality. To begin with Softr, you choose either using a built-in Softr database or connecting an existing database that has all your client data. Then you connect Softr as the front end and build your custom CRM and client portal. Then with Softr's no-code visual builder, you can build your custom CRM and client portal based on the data and your requirements. Basically, Softr is the front end, the customer-facing app that you have total control over, which is connected to your data. Now, Softr has professional app templates that you can use, or you can connect your database and build from scratch. In terms of CRM client management, once you've connected your database and built your CRM using Softr, you can then manage anything you like inside your CRM, from contracts, accounts, deals to tasks, projects, and more. Remember, this is a custom-built solution, so you can add anything that you like inside your CRM. The problem with a custom CRM solution like this is you have to manage both the database that you have connected and the front-end app. This is to ensure that you have no issues with the two-way sync and that everything is functioning correctly. The cool part of this hybrid CRM and Client Portal solution is you can build separate apps or combine them together. You also have complete control of what you want to manage and what you want your clients to see and do. You can build either a simple or extensive client portal. In addition to this, their AI workflows are impressive. You can automate essentially anything internally, although the process of actually establishing and building your CRM or client portal does have a bit of a learning curve. So again, if you're looking for an out-of-the-box solution, this is not for you. Now, if we jump into Softr prices, these start at $49 to $269 per month. This is primarily based on app users, record limits, and action steps. I would recommend Softr as a no-code custom build CRM and client portal solution for all types of teams that have their own database, but want to create their own front-end customer-facing CRM and client portal. If you want to learn more about Softr and how it could work for your business, I'll link appropriate tutorials and links down below in the description. Hey guys, just quickly, did you know that over 90% of you that enjoy our free educational content have not yet subscribed? It would mean a lot to me if you drop a comment or hit subscribe if you love what I'm creating. This helps us grow the channel and motivates me to create bigger and more impactful tutorials for you to consume for free. Okay, so with that happy note, thank you in advance, and let's get back to the video. Next on my list of top 5 hybrid CRM plus client portal software is Monday.com. Now, Monday has become an all-in-one AI work management platform. However, they now offer a dedicated CRM solution. This Monday CRM is completely customizable and can be designed from scratch, built from a template, or generated with AI. What I love about Monday as a CRM is the overall visual workspace structure. You have your custom CRM workspace, which is broken down into boards, columns, groups, items, and sub-items. The different view types allow you to understand your data through different visual layouts. Also, Monday's CRM offers a powerful visual dashboard with customizable widgets. Basically, everything that you need in a CRM, Monday offers. Plus, you can also engage in email marketing and send email campaigns from directly inside of Monday, rather than connecting a third-party email marketing platform. This is typically what you would need to do if you wanted to send emails to your contacts within Assembly and Softr. Okay, so Monday offers a robust, visual, and fully customizable CRM that is relatively easy to adopt depending on the complexity of your organization. Now, what about the client portal functionalities that can be found inside of Monday? Well, Monday doesn't really offer a quote-unquote client portal solution. They do allow you to leverage a knowledge base or ticket system for customer self-service, but not a true client web portal, a personalized interface that your customers can use to manage tasks, invoices, billing, and other vital customer-facing activities. However, in saying that, Monday recently released Monday Vibe, allowing Monday users to build internal apps with AI. These apps are then connected to your boards. So what Monday users can do is leverage Monday Vibe to build a client portal for each customer and connect these to the relevant boards. This would allow your customers to access invoices, tasks, messaging, and more. Now, to be honest, it's not perfect using Vibe coding, and it does take many iterations or prompts before your client portal looks and functions how you would like it. However, Monday is a market leader when it comes to automations. This means you can easily create powerful automations between your CRM and your custom-built client portals. Now, let's take a look at Monday's CRM pricing. This starts at $18 to $41 per month. This is primarily based on the number of contacts and deals your team has, as well as dashboards and how many quotes and invoices you want to send per month. On top of this, Monday Vibe for building your client portal is an additional monthly price. So this would be an add-on price on top of the CRM price that you're paying per month. Okay, so Monday CRM for your CRM activities and Monday Vibe for building your client portals is ideal for small to medium enterprise. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Monday.com, Monday CRM, and Monday Vibe, I will add a dedicated tutorial down below in the description for you to check out. Fourth on my list is OneSuite. This is a powerful CRM and client portal solution for agencies. This hybrid platform is set up and ready to go straight from the box. The backend CRM layout is similar to Assembly. On the left, if we click here, this is where you can manage all your deals, contacts, people, and tasks from this one interface. Now, OneSuite is visually engaging and easy to navigate. This is due to their minimalistic design layout, although it does lack in customizations to each tool and internal workflow automations. In terms of the client portal capabilities, it is very similar to Assembly, however with less customization options to the home interface, as well as with their workflows and integrations. However, it still does the job and offers an easy client portal experience for agencies. Clients can easily access projects, documents, invoices, and more. Now, prices for OneSuite start at $29 to $149 per month, which is defined by your team size. Based on our list, OneSuite offers the most affordable hybrid CRM plus client portal solution for small to medium-sized agencies, in saying that it's more of a basic or minimalistic hybrid solution. However, the great part is you're not limited by how many clients or client portals you need. For me, I would recommend OneSuite for small to medium-sized agencies that are after a minimalistic system with just the basic CRM and client portal requirements. Last but by no means least, we have Go High Level, an all-in-one AI CRM client portal and sales marketing platform. Again, another platform built for agencies. This is not just a client management platform, but the full suite of sales and marketing tools built right into the CRM, like AI phone calls, funnels, emails, social and SMS marketing, prospecting tools, and more. Everything you need is built into Go High Level. I like to call this a all-in-one sales suite. The idea of this Go High Level platform is that it can replace many of your sales, marketing, and management tools. So you have a robust client management platform that allows you to engage in all kinds of marketing and sales activities. Now this takes us on to the client portal activities. You can quickly generate these client portals in just a few clicks. However, it is limited in terms of what your clients can access. Specifically, you can connect courses, affiliate programs, and communities. So customers can access these apps from within their client portal only. This is ideal for agencies that have an affiliate program or sell a course or run a community membership. Prices are simple at $97 to $297 per month. Each of the Go High Level plans have all of the CRM, business, sales, and marketing tools. Again, Go High Level is ideal for agencies that sell courses, offer communities, or offer affiliate programs. So if you're an agency that needs a full suite sales and marketing CRM, as well as a basic client portal, then Go High Level could be the right fit for you. And there we have it, guys. That is our list of my top 5 hybrid CRM and client portal tools for all types of small and medium-sized businesses. Make sure to check out all the relevant resources I mentioned throughout this video down below in the description. And there we have it for this comparative guide, helping you identify the best hybrid CRM and client portal platform for your business requirements. Now, if you have any questions about this video, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.